Hey guys, Airsoft War 4. As you can see, I built up the CQB arena kind of thing. Not an arena, but an area. So there's a kid down there. My Zoom isn't working. So, you ready? Dan, you ready? 3, 2, 1, begin!
Almost hit me there.
Oh.
Did I get you?
Yeah.
Come on. Where were you hit? Shoulder? Cool. Come on. That's game on. Dan, you ready? Sean, you ready? 3, 2, 1, begin! We made a rule that you can't shoot until in cover so people don't get immediately shot so the game can go longer. Behind that black cover. Hit? Where were you hit?
Where?
Again? Cool. Okay. That's it. Hope you guys liked the video. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.